Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today you'll learn about words that start with the FL sound. You already know how to read many of the letters in these words. After we learn them, we'll read sentences that use the words we practiced. Let's learn the FL sound. Listen as I say the FL sound 3 times. Ready? Full, full, full. Now you try. Say it with me. Ready? Let us begin. Full, full, full. Great job. Let's read words with the full sound, like flock and fling. This is the method that we will use to read our word list. First, we will say the FL sound, then we will read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. We will follow this method throughout the reading of the word list. Once we complete reading the word list, we will review the words by reading all of the words straight through without pausing. When we finish the review, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Full, ab, flab, full, ag, flag, full, ink, flank, full, ash, flash, full, at, flat, full, axe, flax, full, ed, fled, full, esh, flesh, full, x, flex, full, ick, flick, full, ing, fling, full, int, flint, full, ip, flip, full, ock, flock, full, og, flog, full, os, floss, full, up, flop, full, uff, fluff, full, flung, full, unk, flunk, full, ush, flush, full, ux, flux. Great job. Now we will review the words by reading the word list straight through without pausing. Let us begin. Flab, flag, flank, flash, flat, flax, fled, flesh, flex, flick, fling, flint, flip, flock, flog, floss, flop, fluff, flung, flunk, flush, flux. Great job. Now we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. The puppy's soft belly has a little flab. The red flag waves in the wind. The horse has a saddle on its flank. I saw a flash of lightning in the sky. She put the book on a flat table. The farmer grew flax in his big sunny field. The rabbit fled quickly into the bushes. The apple's flesh is soft and sweet. He likes to flex his arm muscles. He gave the light switch a quick flick. He will fling the ball far across the yard. The camper used flint to make a fire. She did a flip on the trampoline. A flock of birds flew across the blue sky. He will flog the rug to get the dust out. She will floss her teeth after eating. The puppy will flop down on the soft bed. She likes to fluff the pillows on the couch. I will study hard so I do not flunk the test. Please flush the toilet after you use it. The weather is in flux, changing from sunny to rainy. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 7. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day to review this lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can do this lesson with ease. When you can do this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.